So I might need to regrout. Not sure what's going on there, if it's like that part here. It looks like it's open or not sealed. And down here, that corner needs to be replaced. And there's black mildew down there. Not sure how. I guess I have to remove the caulking. And spray it with the anti-mildew. I heard 2 days minimum to try it out. Yeah, definitely have to go all the way up here. So I find this open grout. So the houses must be 15 years old already since they used this grout. So I'm asking, is it still possible to use this same grout? It's been open. The top's been open already, and it's still powdery. I've never mixed grout before, so I'm not sure if it's possible to use this again. I guess I could try, see how it works out first. We'll see.